So welcome back to my messy accordion bench. This is another in my cheap tools section. So trying to do everything with a minimum of cost, and this one's kind of funny. So this is my $1 tuning bench here. So obviously most of this is made out of scrap. So I've got just some scrap plywood and some scrap 2x6 here. Here in the center, you may recognize this as the bellows off of one of those toy accordions they're making these days. So kind of a funny story. Went to a local thrift store, and they were selling this for $6, and it was completely broken. All the parts inside were broken, and I'm trying to talk to the guy in the store, right? Sounding like a complete idiot because I'm telling them that I want the bellows. I went in there looking for something that I could use, and I don't have a spare set of bellows, and so I wanted to find something I could use to make a tuning bench just on the cheap, and so found this. Didn't want to pay $6 for it. I mean, I know it's just $6, but I still didn't want to do it. So asked them what they could do for me. In the back, they couldn't do anything for me. Manager up front, he was working with a customer who was really upset, and he was pretty happy to get me out of there, so he offered them to me for $1. So paid $1 for these bellows, and so what I've done is I took the accordion apart, and so up here at the top you can see that there are pins there, and so what I have is a piece of plywood that's in the shape of the opening of the bellows there, and then I screwed that to the plywood on the top, and then I put the bellows onto that plywood, put the nails in. We actually used just a little bit of caulking up there, just to give that a better seal, a better airtight seal there, and then it's just here, and so we just kind of screwed everything together. So here's the top. And we can just tape off the holes. Made some different holes up here, different hole patterns. So we've got single and double and triple for chords, and this is where we're going to start tuning some accordion reeds. So we get our reed block out, and we stick it up here, and we can use our tuner and we can tune that. You get the in and the out, and we can just do the work right here and get everything tuned up, and just $1. So creativity and doing what we can to make what we can. I know it looks cheesy, but it's going to work. So sometimes that's all that matters. So messy accordion bench, but it works. Here we go.